Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take screenshots without using buttons on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open our settings. Now we have to scroll down and choose system option right here. Now we choose gestures, and here we have quick tap to start actions. Now we have to enable use quick tap option, and now as this GIF right here shows, when we double press from behind we can take a screenshot. Look. And here is our screenshot. That's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!